In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on and off your Windows Firewall Defender. Simple and easy. So what we are going to do is we just search settings here. So we move to our devices settings. Good. So what we are going to do is we move to our privacy and security here. And on our privacy and security, we open the Windows security. And that should open this for us. And then you can see firewall here. Just tap on that to open it. Good. So what we are going to do is we just tap on the domain network, which is the first one, and then you can see Microsoft Defender Firewall. Just turn it off. So I need to enter a PIN. Good. And it's been turned off on the device. So to turn it on, this is how you turn it on. You turn it on once again, you confirm. I have a PIN on the laptop, that's why. So that's it. So that's it on how you turn on and off Microsoft Firewall Defender. Simple and easy. So if you are new here, give me a like. Subscribe to the channel. That's it for the video. Peace.